Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what a blessing and privilege and an honor it is to serve as your mayor. And what a treat it is every week to have the opportunity to talk about our month full of fun, a month full of connectivity, a month full of difference-making programming that we put together to make sure that you have an opportunity to enjoy living in this great hometown community. So this month we are excited because we're getting to that holiday season, and we know everybody has a full agenda, but we want to add a few little things to that agenda that will help you enjoy the spirit of the season. First of all, we want to encourage you to stay tuned to what's going on outside of the Town's Enhanced program, because we've got great things happening with the theater company, great things happening with the school, so many activities there you want to be aware of. So make sure you check their websites and make sure you're connected with our local businesses and all the fun things they're doing for this special time of the year. But back to our agenda. So November 18th, that's this weekend. We have two opportunities that'll be hosted through our Arts Council at the Arts House. The first one is in the morning, and it is the gingerbread house making workshop where you and your family can go and enjoy the experience of building something that you can use to decorate your home. But what a wonderful tradition to start or to continue by building a gingerbread house, and our Arts Council and all of the supplies and everything will be there to help you in accomplishing this goal. And it'll be hosted at the Art House off of Wallahatchie Road, Saturday morning, November 18th. Then that afternoon, they transition from the gingerbread house to Christmas ornaments. Same opportunity, same experience, get to go, enjoy making an ornament that you can use to decorate your home, that you can give away as a gift. You can do this as a family, you can do it with friends, but what a neat opportunity. Saturday morning, gingerbread house, Saturday afternoon, the Christmas ornament workshop, and they'll be there from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then on Sunday, don't forget that this is your last day to participate in the homemade holiday decor auction that we use the proceeds from through the Arts Council to help support the food pantry at Woodland United Methodist Church. What a great thing we do every year to celebrate the giving spirit of this wonderful time of Christmas. And we want to make sure that you are as aware as possible that those items are there. So make sure you go by on the 18th and take a look at them. But the 19th is the last day that you can actually bid on those items. Then on the 27th, don't forget to mark your calendar, Mondays with the Mayor. We'll be on the radio, we'll take your text messages, we'll take your email messages. You can come by and see us at New Waters Realty. We'll be glad to visit with you to make sure that Pike Road is the most connected place in Alabama, that we answer your questions specifically about what's going on in our lovely hometown. Then on December 1st, it is the Christmas Spectacular on Friday. What a great opportunity for you to be here. Just come right as the sun's beginning to go down. We'll get ready to have something start at 5:30, but it is our Christmas tree lighting. It's hot chocolate. It's the opportunity to enjoy the snow. It's an opportunity to hear a story, to see our young folks in our community display their talents as we all come together to kick off Christmas in Pike Road, the Christmas Spectacular, December 1st at Town Hall. Make sure you circle that date on your calendar. Now, if it so happens that we have football playoffs, we'll make sure that we adapt to that accordingly. But for now, make sure December 1st is the date you circle and be a part of this wonderful Christmas Spectacular. Then on December 7th, it is important that you circle this date and make reservations, because our Ag and Stewardship Committee is hosting the cake decorating program out at the Ag Center, working in cooperation with our good friends at the Extension Service. It is a great way to learn how to decorate your own holiday Christmas cake. So make sure you sign up and be a part of that program. Pike Road, we have so many great things that we do throughout the year. And as we approach this upcoming Thanksgiving season, we just want to take a special minute to say how much we appreciate you. We appreciate what you do for your families in your neighborhood, what you do for the school, what you do for our local businesses, what you do for our town as a whole. Thank you for being engaged. Thank you for being connected. We are so appreciative of the spirit of our town. It is an honor to serve here. We will continue to pray for you, and we ask that you continue to pray for each other.